Hey, what's up guys? Jake here with Success Motors. I have a walk around video for you guys today. As you can see behind me, it's a pretty cool car. It's a 2020 Chevy Camaro 1SS. I'll show you the window sticker and whatnot here in a minute. It's a really cool color. They call it, the exterior color is Shock. So it's a super cool car. But you guys, we film these videos. They're probably 15, 20 minutes long. I'm gonna try to point out all the imperfections. I'm gonna tell you about what's been done to this car. I'm gonna tell you about the history. We're gonna drive it. I'm gonna look all around it. Just try to do as much as I can so that if you're out of state or even just out of College Station, you'll know whether it's worth your time to come down here to College Station to look at this car. Now, we do always recommend come down here, put your hands on the car, drive it. But if you're out of state and it's not in the cards for you to fly down here, we can handle the entire electronic or the entire transaction electronically, but we can have it delivered to you no matter where you are in the lower 48 states. So completely up to you, but we can handle it in that capacity as well. All right, guys, let me hop out of the way and I'll start talking about this car. So again, this is a 2020 Chevy Camaro 1SS 1LE package with the track pack, which is a super cool. It's just a super cool car. It's a 6-speed manual. It's got the big 6.2 liter V8. It's a cool car. Finished in this. This is not a wrap. This is from the factory like it. The exterior color is considered Shock, and the hood is actually black from the factory, which is kind of cool as well. Now, we took this car in on trade. We took it with the 2024 Raptor, which will be listed for sale here pretty soon as well. We took that car, or the truck in this car, in on trade on a real nice diesel we had. Great guy that owned him previously, just a car guy basically. But like I said, this car is it's very nice. And let me just show you the window sticker right quick. It's a little bit windy today, so forgive me for this blowing around. But you can see the exterior color is Shock. Interior color is jet black. It's got the 6.2. It is a 6-speed manual tranny. You can see it's an SS. I don't know if you can see that. SS 1LE track performance package car, which comes with the forged aluminum wheels, magnetic ride control. It does have the Recaro performance seats. It's got the differential lock, limited slip. What else? Exhaust, dual mode performance, Brembo performance brakes, red caliper, head-up display. It's got the hood wrapped in black, front splitter, suede shift knob. Guys, this is a well-optioned car. As far as the history goes, it's got, I think, maybe 3 or 4 owners. It's had a couple of owners. It's got a couple of just like little minor things on the Carfax, but it's got a good history, good maintenance history. It's got a few tasteful modifications, but it's mostly stock otherwise. And the car itself is very clean. Tires are great, runs great, sounds really good. Guys, this one is a very nice car. It does have front PPF, so it's got PPF on the front bumper all the way about halfway up the front fender, so it does have some PPF. It's running a nice set of, let me show you these tires. It's running a set of NT555. These are Nitto brand, I believe. Super sticky, great tread life on these tires. 305 35 R20s on the rear. And we're running a set, same tire size. What size are they back here? 285 30 R20s. So super sticky tire, great tread life. Let me show you the interior of this car. Yeah, the Raptor's pretty sick too. So if you like Raptors, that'll be on the channel here pretty quick. So interior is in great condition. Of course, these cars, this is only a 5-year-old car, 6-year-old car at this point. Of course, you've got your power windows, locks, mirrors, all that. That's how you would release your trunk. Nice leather interior. Like how it says Camaro, boom, right there. Here's your original. Well, actually, I guess it was ceramic coated at some point by Ceramic Pro. That's cool. And here's your original VIN sticker there. Power seats, these are Recaros, so these are some good looking Recaros, but they're still power, which is cool. I've had a couple of Mustangs with Recaros and they weren't still power seats. SS, it's got the flat bottom steering wheel, which is cool. Dash is in great condition, no cracks in the windshield, and this one does have the heads-up display. And again, you can see this one does have a 6-speed manual tranny, so this is the way a Camaro should come from the factory. Armrest is in great shape. You know, your headliner is in great shape, and then your back seats are, you'll probably have never been sat in before if I was a betting man. Just kind of the way cars like this typically go. People don't usually sit back there in those back seats. But let me show you passenger side. I'll show you under the hood. I'll show you the exterior. We'll start it, we'll drive it. So again, passenger seat, probably the same thing like the rear seats, probably never even sat in or sat in very little. Recaros. Car smells good. Carpets are clean. You know, everything is just clean. It's a very nice interior. I would say it's, you know, basically Very close to brand new condition. No cracks, like I said, in the dash. Very power seats even on this passenger side. Of course, power locks windows on this side too as well. So yeah, no imperfections to show you on the inside. I would say the inside is effectively in brand new condition. So coming around, the car does have, you know, a couple little like rock chips and things, but really nothing substantial or of significance. So it even has some PPF down here on the bottom of the rocker, which that's cool, just to prevent getting any major rock chips. You can see Brembo brakes, 1LE on the caliper. Wheels look good, brakes look good, rotors look good. Maybe a little chip here and a little chip here, but overall there looks good. Black looks cool. Hood's in great shape, or roof's in great shape, hood's in great shape. Little PPF right here as well to keep you from, I guess, door dinging other people. No dents, no dings on this car. It does have the, whatever you call that guy on the side, I guess the splitter. Looks good. Super nice car. Spoilers black, taillights are blacked out, Chevy badge is blacked out, and then it says 1SS over there, which is cool. So yeah, this passenger side, I don't see any. I'm seeing some PPF on the back bumper also. So we got PPF back here on the back bumper, and this car is PPF out. So it's been ceramic coated and it's got a bunch of PPF on it. Well, that's really cool. Somebody cared for this car, definitely. So this one does have Corsa exhaust, Corsa performance exhaust, quad tip, and they are blacked out, which looks sick. You can see back here, no dents, no dings, no flaws that I'm seeing here. Of course, you got your window tint all around, so the car's got a nice dark vibe to it. Not really seeing anything noteworthy. We've seen like one or two rock chips, but no dents or dings. I think that might be, that's a rock chip that somebody's covered up or patched. And here's another rock chip right there. And then I guess this is the biggest flaw in the car. It's just a little bit bigger of a rock chip, again, that somebody's kind of covered up there. But overall, I would say the exterior of this car is very clean. PPF, like I said, all over the front end. Emblems blacked out, SS. Car really looks the part, guys. This is a really nice looking car. Let me pop the hood. And it does have a couple of, like I said, aftermarket parts. Nothing crazy though. It's got the Corsa exhaust. Sorry. Not as familiar with the Camaro latch. So exhaust is, or the engine bay is clean. So it does have, I guess, Rotofab aftermarket cold air intake. And then it does have the Atomic Airforce MSD aftermarket intake manifold. And then it's paired to Corsa exhaust. And I believe it does have some aftermarket headers as well. Otherwise stock, not boosted, no turbo, no supercharger, but it just has the aftermarket intake manifold paired to Corsa exhaust. But the engine bay is clean. Let's fire this puppy up. Wonder if it'll start with the hood open. We'll see. I think it will. So, I don't know if you heard that or not, but guys, this car sounds fantastic. Hood's open, she's telling me. Car sounds great. Everything sounds good here. Nothing weird, no squeaks, no creaks, no weird sounds. Sounds like it should. Good sounding car. All right. Radio, of course, works. Air conditioner, of course, works. I'm not going to go through and show you everything. This car does have 55,921 miles. AC's blowing cold. Again, the car sounds great. I don't know if you can hear this or not, but a little blip. That was just a little blip. Not too much, but also not enough. Really nice car. All right, let me surmise real quick and then we'll drive it. I think the only real flaws we saw were maybe like 5 rock chips on the whole thing. We've got a lot of PPF on the front, a lot of PPF on the back. It has been ceramic coated. It's got window tint all around. It's got the aftermarket Corsa exhaust, the aftermarket intake manifold, and the aftermarket cold air intake. 55,000 miles. No significant accidents on Carfax. Does have, I think, 1 or 2 just minors, which that could be literally anything, but it actually says minor on Carfax. You can see the full Carfax report on my website, successmotors.net. Yeah, beautiful car, guys. 2020 1SS 1LE or SS 1LE, however you say it with the track pack, guys. This is a sick car. All right, let's take it for a quick cruise. And then give me a call, 979-202-1948 if you'd like to buy it. This is actually my first Camaro. We've had lots of Mustangs. I've personally had lots of Mustangs, but I've never owned a Camaro or had a Camaro listed for sale. I don't believe, at least not one of this era. Car has the Magna ride, so it's gonna ride good too. Holding the GoPro while shifting. Definitely has some get up and go to it and has a great sound. There we go. Now we're rolling. 5th gear, 50 miles an hour, no check engine lights, no ABS lights, no lights at all. Actually sounds, like I said, really good, but not crazy droney or anything. Just aware of the fact that you're driving a nice, powerful car. No weird squeaks or creaks in the interior. And just everything you'd want it to be. Going 60, I'm in 5th gear. I could put it in 6th, but I think we're just gonna rock 5th gear for a second. The ride quality is great, so the tires are good. You know, these are a high quality Nitto tire. And the Magna ride is phenomenal. Steering is tight, as you can see. We'll keep the video going here a few more moments, and then we'll pull into this church parking lot. I'll get on the brakes. Oh, that's actually the wrong turn. Here we go. It's not on right now, but this car does have rev match. So when you're downshifting, the car will do the rev match, which is cool. Brakes felt great, by the way. Steering feels great. Guys, this car is exceptional. It's excellent. I can't say there's not a single thing wrong with this car, but it certainly doesn't feel like there's anything wrong. Going through some water right here. Whee. Perfect. Yeah, there you guys have it, guys. Really nice 2020 Chevrolet Camaro SS 1LE track pack car. Finished in shock. This color is awesome. Car is awesome. Tires are great. Doesn't need anything, guys. It's ready to rock and roll. It's already been ceramic coated. It's been detailed. It's got the good tires. It's been serviced. Guys, this car is buy today, drive today. Do whatever you want with this car, man. It's exceptional. Again, you can come down to College Station, buy it yourself, or if you want to, we can have it transported. We can do it inside an enclosed trailer, transport it anywhere in the lower 48 states. Hey, God bless you guys. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll talk to you very, very soon.